Hello, I'm Kevin from Kitronic, and today I'm going to show you how to make a soft battery holder like this here. What we've got is two pads made of conductive fabric that we can clip to or sew to, and this can then be used to power the LEDs in our textile circuit. So if I unplug this, we'll see the LED's gone off. I can plug it back on, the LED comes back on. So it's quite simple, and we can see the battery slides in and out here, and the whole thing's nice and soft. So how is this constructed? So the construction consists of two pieces of laser cut felt, which you can see here. Now we do have the laser cutting files for this design, and you can download those from our website www.kitronic.co.uk. And then we need two pieces of conductive fabric, which you can see here, and then we need conductive sewing thread, which we can see there's a little bit of just here, and non-conductive sewing thread to form the pouch into which the battery will slide. So the way it works is we take a piece of fabric like this, and we take a piece of conductive fabric which will sit on top of it, and we sew that into place. What will happen is when we put the battery in, the battery has a positive on the top and a negative on the bottom, and one side of the battery will touch that piece of conductive fabric to make the connection here. We then take the second piece of conductive fabric and the piece of felt, and what we will do is we'll sew that into position here in the centre using conductive thread, and what that will give us, and we can see maybe on this side here, so you just see on the inside here, it's a bit difficult, but basically the thread that's sewn through will be a patch of that on the inside in the centre. So when we slide the battery in, that piece of conductive thread that's on the inside will touch the top of the battery and connect through to this piece of conductive fabric here. So we sew the centre with conductive thread round and round and round. There'll then be a patch of conductive thread on the inside here. We then lay that on top of this piece, and we stitch around with the non-conductive thread to form a neat little pouch here, into which we'll be able to slide our battery. And then we can just connect this to a circuit as required. So there we go. It's a very simple, soft battery holder, which we can make quite easily using just a piece of felt and a couple of pieces of conductive fabric with a little bit of conductive thread.